Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel where we vlog about lifestyle, motherhood, fitness and everything in between.
I thought you were Jonas of Bethlehem. In the world of the king, people burst out into dance, music, sherehe.
Being the last Sunday of the month of December before guys go on holiday, we were having family Sunday in our church and we were doing the skit about the birth of Jesus. We were also sitting according to our discipleship groups and there was Bible trivia. Our group, we were number 1. Okay guys, we had a pastor in our group, maybe that's the reason, but we are just good. Greetings everyone, just come from church and today in church it was family Sunday. This is actually one of the last Sundays because from next week guys are going to have travel to our country, so maybe guys will not be around. So this was family Sunday. Family Sunday means that we get to do everything together. So our kids didn't even go to Sunday school, we stayed with them and it was marvelous because there was a play that we did for narrating the story of Joseph and Mary, the birth of Jesus. Then we were actually one of the top 3 because there are 3 groups that tied with the same mark. So we were among the winners. We won. We were among the top 3. What a wonderful way to end the year. Because I know, like I said, from next week guys will not be around. And also one thing that we were taught, so today we were taught about honor and respect and unity, how you can have all this in the family setup. And also we had Thanksgiving. Guys were saying thank you for what the Lord has done the whole year. I know it's been a minute since I came to talk to you guys. Because this weekend has been wow. We've had a lot. On Friday I went for a sleepover. I came back on Saturday, and Saturday I was doing 1, 2, 3 in the house. And then I went for a graduation party for my cousin, and the party turned out there were two parties. So we stayed there around 11, then I was reaching the house around 12. It was fun. We had meeting with people. There are some uncles and aunties and cousins I'd not seen in a while. It had been a minute since I saw them. It was a very good hangout. And also the hosts, hey, may the Lord bless the host. The host went up and above, cooking for all those people, feeding them and making sure they're comfortable. And also, I always say it is such a privilege. We don't take it for granted, people who can open up their homes and host people, because that needs grace. Not everyone has that kind of grace. So it was amazing. And also, one thing that I liked about my family was this. Everyone, once I told them about we are here, I have a YouTube channel, every time something would happen, they would tell me, content creator, come and take, come and take videos and things like that. And even when I was not there, maybe I'd step aside, my sister or my cousin or just someone would take photos with their phones, and then they have sent me all those videos and photos, and I am just like, wow. Thank you guys for the support, for just how my family is supporting me. I don't take it for granted that this is something that has just started and they are supporting me. So I want to thank them and just keep, let them just keep supporting me. And I am so grateful. I'm overwhelmed by the support and the love that I got yesterday. So those are the ones that didn't know. The ones that knew have already subscribed and things like that, and they keep engaging with me. Also, subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. And also, I would appreciate if you guys would tell me what kind of content would you guys want this page, this channel to be about. Because I do lifestyle, yes, but also I'm trying to incorporate legal so that I see how it goes, because I want to get a niche and not just focus on lifestyle and things like that. So I want to be alternative. If that's okay, you guys can leave a comment so that we do this thing together. At the end of the day, I love you all, and thank you so much for your support and for how you guys have supported us. So thank you guys, and I love you guys. And once again, as the week starts, today is Sunday, the week is gonna start on Monday. Okay, it's already started on Monday. We're going to be busy. I want to wish you God's protection, spirit of fruitfulness, grace and abundance in everything that you do. May the spirit of the Lord that is full of fruitfulness be upon you. So may the Lord go with you, bless you, and increase you. Once again, have the momentum. Don't forget to seize the moment, because what? God's got you. Bye-bye. Mwah. Good morning, it's Monday morning. I'm at GPO. It's around some minutes to 7:30. I'm listening to Taryn Wells. Joy in the morning. Good morning. It's Tuesday morning. We are still doing the interviews at our office, so it's a bit of a slow day. Not a slow day, it's actually, yesterday I left at 8. And I'd been there around 7. So it is a very serious exercise. Yes, it is a very serious exercise. So I'm at GPO. I'm about to get into the office. We usually meet before. We need to meet and just agree on few things before we get into the interview. So today I'm wearing colors because it's an interview. I'm not going to be needed to maybe go either stage or so I can wing it. Anyway, wishing you love, joy, peace, fruitfulness, abundance. Mwah. Bye. The daily was full of tender advertisements. I think there's so much money in public service. Guys, we are interviewing for the pupillage position. Our office usually take pupils at the beginning of the year, and they do a 6-month pupillage session. which is now provided under Kenya School of Law. So that's what we're doing, and I'm happen to be one of the interviewers during this season. So we normally ask just the general questions. If you've been in a government institution, you know the questions are standard. On this day, I think we started at around 9 a.m. and then we ended at around 8 p.m. In our panel, we interviewed about 30 pupils. Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday morning. This is day 3 of our interviews. We are doing pupillage interviews for our office, and today is day 3. Oh my goodness. This whole week I have been leaving my house. It's around 7:15 and I'm already in the office. So this week I have been leaving the house around my normal time that I leave, which is around 6:20. So I reach here around 7. And then because the interviews take so long, so I've been also leaving here. Like yesterday I reached the house around 9. Same as Monday. I am tired. I'm waiting for the holiday, which is tomorrow, so that I can get some sleep, because my eyes, you can't even see, my eyes are a bit puffy because I've not been sleeping well. I've been getting 6 hours of sleep only, basically, and a girl needs her 8 hours, so I can't wait for the holiday, which is tomorrow, so that I can just rest. And then this is also our final week. From next week I'll be on leave until January, so this is my final week. So I want to get things done on the desk, just finish up on things, and also so that when I go I don't get phone calls of, you did this, come and help. I don't want that headache this time. I don't want it. I just want to go home and go home or wherever that I'm going, because enjoy my holiday, just have fun and make merry, and look forward to the new year. Anyway, so that's it. Thank you. Day. I am going to make my hair. You can see how my hair is looking. So maintenance day. Let's go. Come with me as we go for maintenance. I'll braid my hair and also do my nails. Come with me. They say trust the process. My salonist was cracking me up. I don't even know what she was talking about, but she's so pretty. I just love her. After about 4 hours, that was the result. I like the way she does her 3 stand. She's the one who fixes and also finishes. And also I liked the curls that she was doing at the middle and at the end. So the hair looks really nice. I think it's going to do the job. Girls, you know how someone feels when they leave the salon and they feel so nice. So I could not stop admiring myself. I jogged back home and that was it. My Jamhuri day was spent in the salon. Imagine I could not get my nails done. Those guys were so busy. I could not get my nails done. So I was going to schedule it for another day. After the salon, I went to Shiko's place. I was going to pick my delivery that. Hi guys, I have just gotten my wings from Shiko. Let's open them. I always wanted to have a wig that has this double one, because the ones I had for Wamboi that didn't have this double, and also they didn't have the look at that. They actually have the and then it's curly, so I just need to put a curly. Then Guys, the next day it was Friday and there was so much traffic to get to town. I think I took almost 1 hour to get to town, and I left my house around 6:20 or 6:30 thereabout, and I took so much time. Then I realized there was a graduation. I think KU and UON or something, they were graduating, so that's the one that was causing the traffic. Later on, we had our last office lunch for this year, and our head was there, and we were just reminiscing how the year has been, how things have been, and but just was such a good time, by the way. Just Merry Christmas to everyone in my department. Good morning. This was Sunday morning. I was heading to church and then I was ambushed. We had to go and pick our bride. Harusi tunayo. This is the first wedding I have attended in this church. They are such a cute couple, very young, just everything perfect. Man, she looked so beautiful.
Like for my friends who do not want to be Charity's friends, kuna urafiki itapita ndani fulani. And for her friends as well who do not want to be my friends, urafiki yao kuna mahali kupita. Why? Because we want to bring people around us who help us grow our marriage. You know why? 1 Corinthians 15:33. I'm about to finish. 1 Corinthians 15:33 says, do not be misled. Like when people here, do not be misled. It's because this is a common line.
This was a very simple wedding. I loved everything about it. It's living proof that you don't have to go up and about, take a loan to have a very good union. It was very simple, yet they did everything. A huge congratulations to the newlyweds. We wish them joy, peace, love, prosperity in their union. We unboxed. I have this package. You can see Adidas. I have this package from I ordered a while back. I actually ordered two. So I got the other one. I've already packed it because I'm traveling. Already packed it, and it will be delivered to the one that my friend who is supposed to receive the package. So this is what I ordered. I have sort of opened it, but I'm going to unbox it with you guys. So I had, like I said, I ordered it in August. It has taken too long. I don't want to get into the intricacies of this because it was really not a good experience. But I don't wanna tarnish the name of the company or anything because that was my experience and maybe someone else has a different experience. So let's get into it. So this is what I had ordered. I've already opened it. Like I said, I ordered these sambas. I wanted the black ones because I noticed I don't have a black pair of sneakers, so I wanted something black, and this is what I ordered. Actually, the quality is good. I from the experience, I was doubting Thomas, so I didn't think it would look this good, but the quality is really nice, so I am grateful for that. And yeah, so this is what I ordered. There are two pairs. The other ones I've given them to my friend because they were coming up for her birthday. So anyway, that's it, guys. Bye. In the evening, I went to watch a match with my friend. It was Manchester United and Manchester City playing. As Arsenal fans, are happy that Manchester United is the one that won. Anyway, that's it for our vlog today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. That's it, guys, for our vlog. In the evening, I went to watch a match with my friend. It was Manchester United and Manchester City playing, and as an Arsenal fan, I am glad Manchester United is the one that won. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you, and kindly subscribe. Bye.